Back in the day kan, aku selalu guna manual focus lens dengan gimbal. And at this one point, orang selalu tanya aku, macam mana kau fokus guna manual? Lepas tu kau guna gimbal pula. It's not that hard actually. So, let me show you. Hey guys, my name is Danish and welcome to my channel. Hari ni aku nak tunjuk korang a practical, in-depth, hands-on of macam mana nak gunakan manual focus lens dengan gimbal. Say, dah macam college vocational. Before that, aku nak bagi tahu korang kenapa back in the day aku selalu guna manual lens. Sampai aku guna manual lens dengan gimbal sekali. Number one, because manual lens is way cheaper than autofocus lens. Biasanya manual lens is always a good option for affordability compare dengan autofocus lens. So masa tu aku belum ada budget nak beli autofocus, aku beli manual focus. Secondly is because masa tu aku belum trust sangat dengan autofocus lens. At that time, aku memang dah biasakan diri guna manual focus, so I'm really used to it. Kalau aku nak gunakan autofocus pun, masa tu aku guna S7. So S7 dia punya focus feature is not really as advanced, it's not really as good. Dulu pun aku selalu shoot event and then aku selalu shoot wedding. Kalau aku guna autofocus dengan A7, dengan focus yang tak seberapa, boleh jadi out of focus, GG lah aku. Another reason for me to use manual focus back in the day is because manual focus dia bagi like a revealing focus effect, especially kalau korang tarik like pull out the camera, dia akan bagi like very nice revealing focus effect. That is my favorite feature dalam manual focus lens. So guys, hari ni aku akan tunjuk korang a little demonstration, demo lah, macam mana aku nak shoot guna manual lens dengan gimbal. Okay, so aku akan gunakan kamera lama aku A7 dengan lens Pentax 2.0 50mm with my all-time favorite Zhiyun Crane 2. Let's get into the technique. Before korang start shooting, korang mesti make sure yang korang fokuskan kepada subjek. Before start, kalau korang plan nak shoot, korang punya subjek berjalan ke or there is a movement involved, before that, make sure dia betul-betul fokus. Biasanya kalau aku guna kamera Sony lah. Mostly kamera pun dia akan ada this magnifying effect. Korang zoom, korang akan nampak that focus. And aku pun biasanya akan gunakan focus line yang ada color, so that it will make sure yang korang punya subjek is betul-betul fokus. When that is done, baru korang boleh start shooting. Now, this part is where people think it's tricky. The main key untuk korang shoot manual focus lens is korang kena maintain jarak korang dengan subjek tu. Okay, contohlah korang fokus subjek tu dalam jarak 1 meter. So, bila korang shoot, korang mesti ensure that jarak korang dengan subjek adalah 1 meter. So that subjek tu tak out of focus. Tak kisahlah korang tengah pan ke, korang tengah tilt ke, or korang tengah orbit subjek tu. Make sure orbit tu pun dalam 1 meter. You guys just estimate lah, korang buat anggaran masa korang shoot kan. Okay, 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. That will be okay lah. Kalau korang terlajak ke depan ataupun terlajak ke belakang, korang confirm akan be out of focus lah. But just make sure that jarak tu memang okay. Kalau terlajak sikit pun tak apalah. Another technique yang korang boleh gunakan untuk shoot manual focus is korang kecilkan korang punya aperture. Bila korang kecilkan korang punya aperture, dia punya focus point akan jadi lebih besar. Kalau focus point dia makin besar, dia akan kurangkan risk untuk korang jadi out of focus dengan subjek. But of course, kalau korang kecilkan aperture, dia punya bokeh effect akan jadi berkurangan lah, especially kalau korang ada foreground. But it's safer for you to just kecilkan aperture so that korang dapat maintain fokus dengan subjek korang. Kalau korang nak tahu lebih in-depth tentang aperture, korang boleh klik link dekat atas. In my previous tutorial, aku ada explain in-depth about aperture and also other features of camera. Alright, that's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys gained something from what I've shared to you guys today. Kalau korang suka video macam ni, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel because there will be a lot more tutorials to come. So I guess that's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!